Hello everyone, this is Maroof Ives, an English language instructor at HPEC. The topic that I'm going to cover today is listening skills. In order to acquire a language, one needs to master 4 skills. That is, reading, writing, speaking and listening. Although all these 4 skills play a wider role, people tend to focus more on reading, writing and speaking and tend to ignore listening. So, what is listening? What do we understand by the term listening skills? What significant role does listening plays in learning a language? Listening, the word means to hear, to listen. But that is not sufficient for learning a language, for understanding a language. Listening means to understand what is said to us in a language that is spoken to us. That might be the second language or the language spoken around us. The second question that comes is that what are the problems that speaker or the learners of a language face? So this includes, might be the speaker talks very quickly. When you go to a native area, the speakers are in front of the native speakers of a language, they tend to speak very quickly. Therefore, the listeners are unable to understand what is said to them. The second is the lack of visual clues. People are often not aware of visual clues, therefore they face difficulty in understanding what is said to them. The third is the listener's limited vocabulary. HPEC provides students with multiple courses, particularly focusing on the 4 skills. But we have special listening sessions. In listening sessions, we provide students with audio and video aids through which they master their listening skills. In our listening classes, we provide listening activities that are followed with worksheet activity. This listening skills activity includes story, news, and multiple videos and audios through which they practice their skills of listening. In the end of the course, we have a special listening test through which the students judge their ability and know where they stand.